Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Al-Ghazali bin Marahim. My metric number is 1211462. So today I will be presenting my job assessment and my job interview. So this is the advertisement requirement in the job advertisement. The first one is to have a minimum 2 years of experience of programming in ASP.NET using C# and RDBMS SQL for the version 2012 and above. Second one is have a good knowledge of programming or coding and debugging application in ASP.NET for the version 3.5 and above. The third one is must be familiar with object-oriented and analysis OOD and OOM method. And the next is candidate with good designing aesthetic will be preferred. The next one is to have a good knowledge of MVC, and the last one is the candidate must be a problem-solving candidate. So this is my cover letter for the job interview. My cover letter consists of my regard to the OmniNet technology and my interest at the job at the company, which the company site has been advertised on the official Twitter website. I included a little bit about my work experiences from my previous company and the achievements that have been accomplished. The next is my employee's recommendation letter. In this letter, my previous manager has mentioned my skills and how I have contributed throughout my working time at the company. The last one is my resume, which I have introduced my interest in software engineering, my education, my past experiences, my skills, and my expertise in the software engineering job scope.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Syahmi bin Ahmad Bulkia. My metric number is 1211561. Today I will be presenting about my job advertisements and my job interview. So let's get started. Okay, first, the job that I've been chosen for my assignments is Junior Electrical Engineering, which advertised by Petrofec, which is an oil and gas service industries companies. The first requirements is someone who have bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, and as we can see on the job advertisements, they offered 2 job positions for junior electrical engineer, and the third one is for sure it must be junior electrical engineer, and the last one is it needs to be a fresh graduate like me. This is the cover letter for the job advertisements that I have chosen. And the next is the resume. You can see there. And the last one is the references letter. Now we will continue to the videos that Jali and I have been working on so far. It is a mock interview videos, which Jali will be the interviewer, while me myself will be the interviewee, answering all the questions. So stay tuned.
Okay, we'll come here. So my first question is, why do you want to join our company, or why did you choose here to work here?
I have seen your company, Petrofec, all around the place, which consistently listed as one of the top places to work. And I've also heard about this company and this reputation in the industry. And for me, I would be proud to work for a company with such an excellent record. And this company shows that it is a strong example of leadership in the industry. Besides, I have a friend that works here in the company, which is in the accounting department, and he told me that the culture here is top-notch and that management here supports continuing education, and they also reward hard work. And for me, it is every engineer's dream workplace. I think that if I work here, I would fit in perfectly with the team here to make such an immediate impact.
Okay. Alright, so my next question is, what do you like from our company? I mean, like, what attract you the most from our company? So, why do you like it?
As we all know, Petrofec, a few years ago, they successful in achieving and securing $120 million in EPS awards a few years ago. They execute on the group objective to position engineering and production services, which we call EPS, and it's an exceptional achievement for engineering industries, which we all know it is not easy to achieve. Besides, in the few years back, Petrofec was also offered a contract by Petronas, one of the largest companies in the oil and gas service industries, which famously known with the contract valued at approximately 280 million. As you can see here, Petrofec attracting the attention of all the major corporations is difficult, and that is what Petrofec always does. Petrofec's achievements are just remarkable, making it an outstanding and a dream company to work. And for sure, engineers like me, I have always wanted to be a part of the team that achieved a lot of success.
So, alright. Next question is, what makes you unique? Why should we choose you? Why should we hire you to join our company?
First and foremost, I've graduated for my electrical engineering degree with a CGPA of 3.9 at one of the top engineering universities in Malaysia, which is University of Malaya. Furthermore, I was awarded Best Chancellor while I was there. Okay, enough of that. I believe that things that differentiate me and others candidates are my strongest asset, which is my ability to solve problems quickly and efficiently. I can see any given situation from multiple perspectives, which makes me uniquely qualified to work and complete my work even under challenging conditions, even under pressure. Other than that is my willingness to step in whenever I need it. I'm not afraid to take on a difficult client or a hard project which nobody else wants, because those are the ones that teach me the most, and those are the ones that makes me more unique and experienced. According to the company's specialized and all the future projects, it is most likely that we won't get the work that we used to, or we won't usually do. So it may be something that we're not good at or haven't attempted yet. So that is my qualities right there that I enjoy, which is to do something that I've never done before. And my capacity to see and decide on all possibilities, as well as the ability to operate under pressure, are also vital in this profession, which will undoubtedly require all of these skills in the future project.
So you're just graduated from university, right? So you're a fresh graduate. So how do you think that you can contribute to our company? So how will you give something to us?
Okay. About that, I know that I am a fresh graduate, and I cannot deny that I am lack of experience. However, my organizational skills and my abilities to work well in a group are my valuable assets. I can work around your schedule, and I can fill in wherever or wherever you need me. I am also convinced that my abilities will help your organization succeed, and I have teamwork skills that will help your business run more smoothly. I know how to play to my strengths, and my technical abilities, and I also am willing to offer up my time and efforts so that this company can develop. If you give me the chance, I will show you why it is the best decision you've ever made and how I can contribute to this company's continued success.
So, what are your salary requirements?
About salary, as you know, I'm a newcomer, and as a fresher, salary is not my top priority because for me, this work is a significant platform for me to begin my career, and I also want to improve my knowledge and skills while gaining more experience. So, I expect a substantial salary commensurate with my abilities and your company's norms that will meet my financial needs.
Alright, so I think that is for today. So if anything, my PA will contact you later on. So I wish you the best luck and thank you.
Thank you. Okay, welcome. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, so without wasting our time, my first question for you is what aspect of our company, product, or team that interests you the most?
Recently, I was watching an interview with your CEO about your product that aims to disrupt the lending industry. Streamlining our growth tasks like loan applications has huge potential. So I think the growth in this sector over the last year is a big indication of things to come. Additionally, I'm excited by the untapped potential of blockchain technology that you have been recently decided to incorporate. I see this as giving your company the competitive advantage in this space as the verifiable auditability that will reduce the compliance cost.
My next question is what are the programming language that you familiar with? Do you understand the meaning of this programming language?
Yes, I do understand about the programming language, and I am very proficient in Java, C++, JavaScript, C hashtag, Ruby, and Python. Of this programming language, I feel most comfortable working with Java, C Sharp, and C++. In my previous role, I work mainly with Java to create applications that work across multiple platforms. I also use C++ to develop a new operating system that work with the application that I engineer. Using C++, I was able to improve my productivity when developing web-based apps and softwares.
Okay, my next question is can you describe your last project that you've worked on, and I would like to know the obstacles that you face and what are your contribution to this project, to its success.
So before this, a previous employer tasked me with creating an internal online learning and training program for employees. So the purpose of the program was to make sure our employees receive proper training on certain topics, including customer service, compliance with legal requirements, and workplace ethic. I began by researching other similar training to figure out what worked and what didn't. Next, I used Java to code a simple program which I then use to upload training courses. So after testing the simplified program, I added the elements to make it more engaging to employees, such as games and interactive quizzes. So this program was well received by the employees of the organization, and their customer service success rate increased by 25% after all team members took the required course.
Okay, my next question is, we all know that project is very important for companies. So if you are given a project, how do you determine this project success?
So before the project is even started, success metrics are laid out. So I will identify the key performance indicator, which is KPI, that we are hoping to impact and begin gathering information to formulate the ideas. These ideas are stated as a falsifiable hypothesis. For example, we believe that reducing checkout steps will increase sales conversion. So an increase of 2% will be considered as a positive signal. This keeps the theme focused on the impact of our project on the business bottom line.
Okay, my next question is, I've known you have worked for the last company, and I know that you have experience, but how do you think that you, an experienced worker, can contribute to our company?
So before this, I've managed the development of cutting-edge system architecture using C#, .NET 4.0, CSS3, JavaScript, and the MySQL RDBMS. So I played a key role in the development of various internal systems, and production process tracking, as well as custom REST API in PHP, Node.js, and Python. I've also worked efficiently on strategies with our technology and marketing teams to provide the best user experience and increase brand equity. So I think that it will be a delight to learn more about Omninet technology requirements, and I would really appreciate the opportunity to share more about my project management experience, my professional expertise, my personal qualities, and proven track records in developing operating income web that are compatible with multiple portals, web page, and websites.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay, that is all for today. I wish you the best of luck and good luck. So if we have anything, my PM will contact you straight away. So that is all. Thank you.
Thank you.